Crafts technology has been around since the late 1800s. I would say the main industries that we work with are aerospace, medical, electronics. We're getting much more into the EV battery space. In our search, looking around at the variety of manufacturers, we found Mitsubishi looked like the best value proposition. The real big thing with Mitsubishi, starting in 2017, right at the beginning, was how they deployed their talent. Really, it was how they engaged us on what we wanted to do with the machinery. And that's really what we wanted more than anything, is assistance on how to produce, how to cut, how to sink, really at the highest rates and get the best finishes.